Mrs. Okay, go ahead. Mrs. Wall.
Mars.
Mrs.
Mrs. will put 40 books for each class at her school. If the school has 28 classes, how many blocks did Miss will buy in all?
So the 40 books will repeat because for each class we will buy 28. So 28 times 40 because the 40 is repeating. Go ahead, my hero. We have 0 and 8 times
0
4.
multiply. 8 multiply 4.
32.
32 and 2 multiply 0 is 2.
Wait, how to write 32? 2 and
32.
carry up 3.
Okay.
Now 2 multiplied by 4
2 multiply 4, 8.
plus 3.
11.
So it's 1120. So she should buy 1120 books. Okay. So this is the number of books that she should buy. Okay, let's move to the next question. Danielle. Muhammad Hisham. Saleh.
Yes.
Muhammad.
Yes.
The distance across the continental United States is approximately 3,000 miles. If Mark wishes to make the trip across the country in 5 days, how many miles will he have to travel each day? So he wants to divide the 3,000 miles to 5 parts, 5 groups. So let's divide the 3,000 into 5 groups. 3,000 divided by 5. Go ahead, my hero.
Thirty.
30. Yes, we will take the 30, then add the 2 extra digits, the 2 extra zeros. 30 divided by 5 equals
50 divided by 5 equals 6.
And we have how many zeros? How many extra zeros? 2 extra zeros. 2. Because we used this 0 with the 30. So we have 2 zeros. So which one is the correct answer? 600 miles. Thank you, my hero. I will move down so we can solve the next question. Saleh.
Yes, Mister.
Okay, Saleh, go ahead.
How many weeks is 637 days?
Yes. How many days in 1 week?
1 week.
How many days in the week?
In the week,
The week is 7 days. So we need to divide 637 by
637 divided by
7. Why 7? Because in each week we have 7 days. Okay, we will use the algorithm 637 divided by 7. Go ahead, my hero. 6 is less than 7. So we will take 63. Okay, 63 divided by 7.
14.
No, 63 divided by 7. 7 times what number gives 63?
9.
9. Excellent. So 9 times 7 equals 63. Now subtract.
3 minus 3 is 0. And 6 minus 6 is 0.
Drop the next
We put
digit.
down 7.
Excellent. 7 divided 7. Any number divided by itself equals?
1.
And 1 times 7 equals?
7.
Subtract.
7 minus 7 is 0. The answer is 91 weeks.
Excellent. Thank you. So, here, my heroes, you should know that 1 week equals 7 days. 1 week equals 7 days. Okay, thank you, my hero. Let's move to the next question. Ibrahim Jalala. Ibrahim. Abdulaziz Ruwaishid. Yes, who's this?
مستر ابراهيم سلطان تو يدخل.
Ibrahim Ruwaishid, are you here? Sorry, Abdulaziz Ruwaishid. Ibrahim Sultan. Ibrahim Jalala. Ibrahim, use your mic. Okay, my hero. Go ahead. We will divide 44 by 8. What number multiplied by 8 gives 44 or less? I want 44 or less.
Teacher, I am here.
Ibrahim Sultan.
Teacher.
I don't know who are you. This is Ibrahim.
Abdulaziz. Yeah.
Okay, Abdulaziz, wait. Ibrahim, go ahead. Ibrahim, 8 multiplied by? What?
6.
8 times 6 is 48. 48 is more than 44. Right?
5.
8 times 5 equals?
8 times 44.
No.
I know. 8 multiply.
You can see my screen, right? 8 multiplied by 5 equals 40.
40.
So, where to write the 5 and where to write the 40? We will write the 5 where? In the quotient, up. And the 40? Huh?
And
Down. Subtract. Four minus 0.
4 minus 4.
What?
4.
And 4 minus 4. I don't know why you are taking too long time. 4 minus 4 is 0. What's the remainder?
C.
What's the remainder?
5.
I should write the remainder here. The remainder is 4, as you can see from here down. So it's 5, the quotient is 5, and the remainder is 4. So we will choose C. Okay, my heroes, now let's move to the next question. Please write the steps. You need to write, my heroes, because the same questions you will find it every time in each place. Like in the exam, you can find these questions, like these questions. You should know what you should do. You should study these questions. So write the full steps.
You studied. You said my name.
Abdulaziz Rouishid,
said my name.
you are here. Who's this? Abdulaziz? Abdulaziz Rouishid?
Yes, teacher.
Okay,
Yes, teacher.
Abdulaziz. In question number 5, a group of friends are playing a board card game. As a part of the game, each player is given the same number of cards. There are how many players?
6.
6 players. And how many cards?
58.
Okay, so the 58 cards will be shared to the 6 players equally. How many cards will each player get if each player gets the same number of cards? So you can use picture and you can use the division algorithm, because we are going to divide 58 by 6. I prefer the algorithm. And what about you? You want the algorithm or the picture?
Picture.
Okay, the pictures, you will draw 6. You will draw 6 groups, and you will divide this. You will divide these blocks to the 6 groups. Okay, so it may take long time, but with the algorithm we can do it faster. Okay, my hero. So let's do it with the algorithm better. So 6 multiplied by what number? Because 5 less than 6, so I will use 58. 6 multiplied by what number gives 58 or less? Do you keep the table of 6? Abdulaziz, do you keep the table?
No.
You don't keep the table? You will get minus if you don't keep the table.
I keep it, but I
Okay,
need
so
the time.
okay, do you know the multiples of 6? The bigger multiples, because this is 58. And as you know, 6 times 10 equals
To 16.
60. So 60 is more than 58. You will go down. So the biggest number that you can use is 9. What's 6 multiplied by 9? The only one digit. I want only one digit. So the biggest number that we can use is 9. 6 times 9 equals what?
51.
No, my hero, you need to check the table.
I'm in 54.
Okay, so where to write the 9 and where to write the 54? Write the 9 in the quotient. 9 up and 54 down. Now subtract 8 minus 4. I don't know, Abdulaziz.
4.
Yes, go continue. 5 minus 5.
0.
Do we have any more digits here? No. We have used all digits that we have. We have only 5 and 8, and we used them. So, that's all. What's the remainder? The remainder is 4. So, it's 9 cards for each player, and we have 4 cards left over. Abdulaziz, which one should I choose?
C. Or D.
Okay, thank you. Okay, my heroes, now we will move to the next question. Maitham?
Yes, teacher.
Go ahead, my hero. Which division sentence does this diagram show?
Okay. I counted all of it.
Okay, let's count.
Okay. Okay.
This is 10, 20, 30.
30.
And the
54.
ones 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 30 tens. The tens are
And
30.
the ones 4.
Good. So this is 34. And here the same, of course, 34, the same number.
Yeah.
So this is 34 and this is 34. And we have remainder 1. Okay. You need to find the total.
Okay.
How many tens in all? 30 and
10 in all,
30.
60. 60, and we have 4 and 4. It will be 8.
Okay, so
64.
68.
68. Yeah.
Into how many groups?
The groups. 2.
2 groups. And what's the quotient? What's inside each group?
34.
And what's the
Remainder.
remainder
1.
out of all groups? 1. Wow, I like my heroes. So which one should I choose?
A.
Okay, A. Okay. But
Yes.
I have a problem here.
What? Is it? Huh? What?
The 68.
Yeah.
I have 68 inside groups. What about this one?
1. No. It will be 96.
69.
60.
Right? Because we have 68 plus another one.
One.
So it's
It will be
69.
69.
Okay,
And the remainder 1.
great. So
The answer is C.
the answer is C. Thank you, my hero. Okay, so my heroes, this is how to use the picture. And now we will move to the next question. Okay. مالك أسامة؟
Yes, mister.
Go ahead, my hero.
If a 5 serving package of pasta has to
My hero, this is question number 7.
Oh. Michael has 61 oranges that he wishes to split equally among 4 gift baskets. How many oranges will go in each gift basket?
And how many oranges will be left over? Okay, so we need to do what? To
Long
divide.
division.
Yes, 61 divided by 4. Let's use the division algorithm, the long division. 61 divided by 4. Take it digit by digit. 6 divided by 4.
1
1. Because 1 multiplied by 4 equals 4.
is equal to 4.
So
Then
1 up and...
is 1 up and we multiply 1.
Excellent. 1 times 4 equals 4. Now subtract.
6 minus 4 is equal. Then we put the 1 down. Then 21 will be divided by 4.
Yes, 21
be
divided
5.
4 equals...
5.
Excellent.
5.
Because 4 times 5 equals...
Then 5.
20.
4 times 5 is 20. Then 21 minus 20 is equal to 1. And we have 15 orange and 1 left over.
So the remainder is 1. I will erase
1.
this because this is draft. We don't need it. Okay, so which one is the correct answer? A, B, C, D?
B.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. You are a star. Thank you. Okay, my heroes, finish writing quickly. Okay, now we will move to the next question. علاء. علاء حسام.
Here.
Okay, my hero.
Here, sir.
A 5-serving package of pasta has
to 205 grams of carbohydrates.
How many grams of carbohydrates does each serving contain? What should we do? Divide the 205 by 5 to know how many grams of carbohydrates in each one gram, because they are all 5 in each one serving. Okay, go ahead. We need to use the algorithm, the long division.
We could use long division.
We can use it and we can do without it. But now we can write it because it's easier for your friends to understand. Okay, go ahead. 2 divided 5.
Let's so
2 divided by 5 equals 0. And we will take the 20. Yes. 20 divided 5.
So it's 4.
So this is 0. Okay, 20 divided 5.
Equals 4.
4. And 4 multiplied 5 is?
And 4 multiplied by 5 is 20.
Now subtract.
So this is will still 5, and we will put 5 and put up 1. So the answer will be 41, and
Oh, you
5
didn't
minus
finish.
5
One. You
equals
should
0.
multiply the 1 by 5. Right?
1 multiplied by 5 equals 5.
Yes.
1
Subtract.
multiplied by 5 equals 5.
It will be 0.
5
So
minus
you
5,
should
5.
finish the whole steps, okay? Because you need to see if you have a remainder or no. Now we don't have a remainder because the remainder is 0.
No,
And what's the quotient?
the quotient is 41.
So
So the
we
answer
should
is 41
choose
grams.
41. Thank you, my hero. You are a star. Let's move to the next question. And for the next question, I don't have enough space to write the steps, so I will write it here. 4,907 divided by 7. I will choose one of my heroes to help me with this division.
Mr. Me.
Ibrahim Jughayman. Ibrahim Jughayman. Abdulrahman.
Yes, here, Mr. Ibrahim Jughayman.
Okay, Ibrahim.
Your sound is
My sound is not clear. My sound is not clear.
Yes.
Oh, I don't know why this may be a connection issue, but I will raise my voice. I will speak up. I will raise
No,
my voice. Okay, my hero, go ahead. 4 divided by 7 cannot be right because 4
Yes.
is less than 7. So we put 0 and we move to the next digit. We use the next digit.
No.
So it will be 49.
Yeah, 49.
49 divided by 7
7.
and 7 multiplied by 7. 49.
7 much. 49.
Subtract. 9 minus 9.
0.
4 minus 4.
0.
Drop the next digit.
What?
What is the next digit?
0.
So now 0 divided by 7.
Okay. 0 divided by.
So it's because 0 divided by 7 equals, of course, 0. 0 is less than 7. So 0, and we will move to the next digit.
7. Next digit.
7 divided by 7.
49.
No, divide, not times.
9.
Any number divided by itself equals 1.
1.
1 times 7 equals
1 times
7.
7.
Subtract.
7 equals 7 minus 7 equals
7 minus 7 equals 0.
0.
Now what's the quotient?
What is what?
The quotient is 701. So we should choose which choice?
B.
B. Thank you. Okay, my heroes. Now we will move to the next. Okay, I will move to the next page. So write quickly, my heroes. Quickly, my heroes. Ali Dohi. Okay, my hero, you will help me with the next question. Is there anyone writing? Okay, I will move down to the next question. In this question, Nickel found cereal on sale.
On sale, it's 3 boxes for $12. How much would she spend on 8 boxes of cereal?
Okay, I can see here that we have a heading question. So, what is the heading question? And what is the main question?
The main question is three boxes for $12.
Excellent. So we need to find what? The price of one
Box.
Great. So let's do it. It's $12 for 3 boxes. So 12
Okay.
divided by
12 divided 3 equal 4.
yes, so $4 for each one box. Now, what's the main question? The price of 8 boxes. So we need to find the price of 8 boxes. What's the price of 1 box? $4. And we will repeat it how many times? We will repeat it how many times?
How many times 8 boxes?
So
4 multiply 8 is 32.
excellent. So what's the answer for the price of 8?
32 D.
Yes, the answer is D, 32. Okay, my heroes, let's move to the next question. Thamer?
Yes.
Okay, my hero. The heading question for the second one, many found shirts sale for it's the same question. So we will find the price of one shirt. And after answering this question, we will move to the main question, which is 5 shirts.
5.
So we will find after that the price of 5 shirts. Okay, let's start. How to find the price of one shirt? 4 shirts for $20. So we should divide the 20 by
20 divided by 5?
where 5? By 4, my hero.
4.
This is the price of 4. So 20 divided 4 equals
5.
5. Okay, I'll choose another hero to help me with the second part. Thank you, my hero. Ali Isa.
Yes, mister.
Go ahead. We need now to find the price of 5 shirts. What's the price of one shirt?
One shirt. 5.
$5. And how many shirts do we need?
5.
So we multiply 5 shirts by the price of each shirt, which is 5.
5 multiplied 5 equals 25.
Okay, so the price of 5 shirts is $25. A. Thank you, my hero. Okay, now my heroes, do you have any questions about this revision?
Thank you.
If you don't have, please mute your mic. If you have, say your name. If you want to ask about any question of these questions, you can ask. Okay. No questions? So, my heroes, inshallah, tomorrow in the quiz, in the exam, the questions will be the same like these questions. So, you should study these questions and you should understand what we do with each one. Because you will find the same questions and you will use the steps, the same steps. The questions will be different questions, but you will do the same steps. Okay. Okay, my heroes. Any questions before I end the session?
Yeah.
Say your name, my hero.
Samir.
Okay, ask.
Question number 10, I don't understand it.
Okay, the sale is 3 boxes for $12, okay? My hero? Are you with me?
Yeah.
3 boxes for $12. So, what's the price of 1 box?
25?
3 boxes for $12. And you need the price of 1 box, right?
Yeah.
So you divide the 12 to 3 groups because these are 3 boxes. 12 divided by 3 equals $4. So each 1 box costs $4. Okay?
No, I understand.
Okay, great. Okay, my heroes? Any more questions? Okay, thank you, my heroes. This is the end of our session. Tomorrow, inshallah, don't be late for the session. Join the session, and I will tell you tomorrow the instructions for the quiz. Thank you, my heroes. See you tomorrow, and goodbye.